Himalayan pink salt, also known as Himalayan crystal salt, is a natural mineral salt that is mined from the Kura salt mine in the Punjab region of Pakistan. It has gained popularity worldwide for its distinctive pink hue and mineral-rich composition, along with its culinary uses and purported health benefits. The history of Himalayan pink salt dates back millions of years to the ancient seabeds of the Himalayan mountains. Over time, geological shifts and tectonic movements buried these seabeds deep beneath the Earth's surface, where immense pressure and heat transformed the salt deposits into crystalline formations. The Kura salt mine, discovered in the 19th century by Alexander the Great's troops, is believed to be the world's second-largest salt mine. Since then, it has been a significant source of Himalayan pink salt, contributing to its global distribution and acclaim. Himalayan pink salt is composed of various minerals and trace elements, including calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron, which contribute to its distinctive color and flavor profile. Careful handling is essential to prevent damage to the salt and ensure its pristine quality throughout the processing stages. Once unloaded, the raw salt is transported to processing areas, where it undergoes initial cutting to break down large lumps into more manageable sizes. Specialized cutting machinery or tools are used to achieve uniformity in the size of salt pieces, preparing them for further processing. Cutting Himalayan pink salt bricks. The processed salt pieces are then transformed into bricks or tiles, tailored to specific customer requirements. Advanced cutting equipment is employed to achieve precise dimensions and shapes, ensuring consistency in the final products. Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles find applications in various industries, including construction, home decor, and culinary arts. The Himalayan pink salt bricks have been carefully moved to the dry department, where they will undergo a thorough quality inspection and stringent control measures to ensure their uncompromised quality. The process of quality check and control for Himalayan pink salt bricks is extremely important, especially when considering export. This process is vital to ensure that every aspect of the product meets the highest standards and complies with international regulations and customer expectations. During this thorough process, attention is paid to examining every corner and edge of the Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles. The goal is to ensure that each piece is constructed flawlessly, without any imperfections or irregularities. This level of scrutiny guarantees that the product maintains its integrity and aesthetic appeal, which are crucial factors in securing customer satisfaction and maintaining the brand's reputation. Moreover, by carefully inspecting the corners and edges, potential issues such as chipping, cracking, or unevenness can be identified and addressed promptly. This proactive approach not only enhances the overall quality of the product but also reduces the risk of damage during transportation and handling. Overall, the quality check and control process for Himalayan pink salt bricks is a critical stage in the export journey. It highlights the commitment to delivering excellence and ensures that the product not only meets but exceeds the expectations of discerning customers worldwide. After completing the initial quality check and control process, the Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles proceed to the packaging department for the next phase of scrutiny and preparation. Here, skilled laborers undertake a meticulous manual inspection to ensure that each brick and tile meets the established quality standards. During this hands-on assessment, the laborers carefully examine every aspect of the Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles, scrutinizing for any signs of defects, irregularities, or damage that may have been overlooked during previous inspections. This thorough examination is essential to guarantee that only the finest quality products are sent out for distribution and ultimately reach the end consumer. Once the quality assurance process is complete and any necessary adjustments have been made, the packaging of the Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles commences. Laborers begin by carefully arranging the bricks and tiles, ensuring optimal placement to maximize space efficiency while minimizing the risk of damage during transit. Following this, the shrink wrapping process begins. A plastic sheet is carefully wrapped around the arranged bricks and tiles, providing an additional layer of protection against external elements and potential damage. This shrink wrapping not only safeguards the integrity of the products but also enhances their presentation, ensuring that they arrive at their destination in pristine condition. Overall, the meticulous attention to detail and rigorous quality control measures employed during the packaging process underscores the commitment to delivering excellence. By upholding these high standards, the Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles are prepared for shipment with the utmost care and precision, ensuring that they maintain their quality and integrity throughout the supply chain. Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles have emerged as highly sought-after export commodities from Pakistan, captivating global markets with their exceptional quality and versatility. Available in two standard sizes: 1 inch into 4 inches into 8 inches and 2 inches into 4 inches into 8 inches. These meticulously crafted products have found widespread application across various industries and settings, both for their aesthetic appeal and therapeutic properties. In the realm of construction, Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles have garnered immense popularity for their role in facilitating halotherapy, a wellness practice that harnesses the healing properties of salt. These bricks and tiles are integral components in the creation of salt rooms, saunas, and spas, where they contribute to the creation of a serene and rejuvenating environment. The unique mineral composition of Himalayan pink salt is believed to promote respiratory health, enhance relaxation, and alleviate stress, making these spaces highly sought after by individuals seeking holistic wellness experiences. After the plastic shrink wrap process is completed, the Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles move on to the next stage of packaging, which involves placing them into cartons. This step is crucial in ensuring the safe and secure transportation of the products to their final destination. The cartons used for the packaging are chosen strategically to accommodate the specific dimensions and quantities of the shrink-wrapped Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles. Careful consideration is given to optimizing space within the cartons while also ensuring that the products are arranged in a manner that minimizes the risk of shifting or damage during transit. Skilled workers meticulously place the shrink-wrapped bricks and tiles into the cartons, taking care to maintain their integrity and prevent any potential breakage or shifting. This process requires precision and attention to detail to ensure that each carton is packed efficiently and securely. Throughout the packaging process, quality checks are conducted to verify that the Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles meet the desired standards before being sealed inside the cartons. Any discrepancies or issues are promptly addressed to maintain the high quality and integrity of the products. Once the cartons are filled with the shrink-wrapped Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles, they are sealed and labeled for identification and tracking purposes. Proper labeling ensures that the contents of each carton are accurately identified, making it easier for handling and distribution logistics. Overall, the process of placing the shrink-wrapped Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles into cartons is a critical step in the packaging workflow. It ensures that the products are securely packed and ready for shipment, maintaining their quality and integrity throughout the supply chain journey. The packaging process is almost complete, and now the focus is on loading the Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles into sturdy wooden box pallets. These pallets will be shipped in export containers to various destinations worldwide. Skilled workers arrange the cartons of shrink-wrapped Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles onto the wooden box pallets, making sure to maximize space utilization while maintaining structural integrity. They carefully position each carton to optimize stability and balance within the pallet, minimizing the risk of damage during transit. Throughout the process, attention to detail remains paramount. Workers conduct quality checks to ensure that every carton is securely packed and labeled in accordance with international shipping standards. Any discrepancies or issues are promptly addressed to uphold the stringent quality control measures implemented throughout the packaging process. After the pallets are fully loaded and inspected, they are positioned within the export containers, ready to embark on their journey to destinations spanning the globe. The containers are arranged to accommodate multiple pallets, maximizing space efficiency and minimizing transportation costs. As the containers are sealed and secured for transport, there is a sense of accomplishment knowing that each pallet represents a meticulously curated collection of Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles destined to enrich homes and businesses in distant corners of the world. With every container packed and loaded, the anticipation of reaching new markets and forging lasting partnerships grows, underscoring the significance of the export process in fostering global connectivity and commerce. The loading and shifting of Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles cartons into wooden box pallets in export containers symbolize the culmination of meticulous planning, precision, and dedication. It is a testament to the commitment to delivering excellence and sharing the unparalleled beauty and quality of Himalayan pink salt with diverse communities worldwide.
We are excited to introduce ourselves as manufacturers and exporters of high-quality Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles. Our products are tailored to meet the unique needs of establishments such as halotherapy, salt therapy, spas, saunas, yoga centers, massage centers, breathing centers, and salt rooms. We take great pride in the positive impact our products have on promoting health and wellness. If you are considering enhancing your establishment with the beauty and benefits of Himalayan pink salt, we warmly invite you to collaborate with us. If you are interested in using Himalayan pink salt bricks and tiles in your establishment, we would like to invite you to contact us at your convenience. Don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions or need further information. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to the opportunity to collaborate with you.